Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've been dreaming of owning a golf cart but thought it was out of your price range, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the best golf cart brands for budget-conscious buyers in 2025. Whether you're looking for a new cart that won't break the bank or a used model that's reliable and affordable, I'll walk you through the smartest options, the pros and cons, and what to expect, so you can get rolling without emptying your wallet. So before we jump in and find your perfect budget-friendly ride, take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. What to expect from a budget golf cart? Let's face it, golf carts can get expensive fast, but you don't have to spend a fortune to get a reliable, good-looking, and fun cart. Maybe you just need something basic for the course, a way to zip around your neighborhood, or a handy ride for your property or campground. Today's market has more affordable options than ever, with both new and used carts that deliver value without sacrificing quality. Now, before we get to the brands, let's set some expectations. A budget golf cart probably won't have every luxury feature, and that's okay. You're looking for solid build quality, a comfortable ride, and basic reliability. Most budget carts are 2 or 4 seaters, have standard speed and range, and come with either lead-acid batteries or a basic gas engine. Don't expect custom paint jobs or the latest tech gadgets at this price, but you can still find carts that are clean, dependable, and ready for upgrades down the road. Key criteria. Before we jump into the list, here's what makes a golf cart budget-friendly in 2025. First, affordable MSRP. They should be under $10,000 for new carts or under $5,000 for used. 2. Low maintenance costs, easy to find parts and affordable service. 3. Decent battery life or fuel efficiency. 4. Reliable performance with fewer repair complaints. And finally, good resale value, because budgets change. Now with that in mind, let's get into the best budget brands of 2025. Coming in at number 1, we have EasyGo. EasyGo is one of the industry leaders, and its entry-level RXV and Valor 2 passenger model has one of the lowest starting MSRPs in its new models class, with both coming in at under $9,000. For people looking to go used, the TXT models in particular are legendary for their simple design and abundance of affordable parts. Older, more basic models might be available for under $3,000, while newer, well-equipped, or customized models can reach $7,000 or more. They are everywhere, and for good reason. Basic but gets the job done, and also perfect for DIY modders too, with options for gas, electric, and lithium, as well as a strong dealer and parts network. Whether you go gas or electric, with EasyGo, you're getting a straightforward, durable cart that's easy to maintain and holds its value well. Next is Club Car, a brand long synonymous with durability. Their older DS series and basic precedent models are excellent buys on the used market. You can grab both for under $5,000, and they still hold up. These carts are built on rust-proof aluminum frames and are known to last for decades with basic care. You can often find used club cars at great prices, especially if you're willing to go for an earlier model. Club car carts reliable, upgradable, and parts are everywhere, as well as a strong aftermarket support. Don't go looking for tech on these ones though. Third on our list, we have Evolution golf carts. Evolution has taken the budget golf cart world by storm. For buyers willing to go electric and want something modern, Evolution golf carts are worth a look. They come standard with lithium batteries, and you can find fully loaded models for under $7,000. Touchscreen display, Bluetooth speakers, LED lighting. Their basic models like the Classic 2 and Classic 4 offer lots of features and comfort at a very competitive price, especially if you can find a dealer special or a recent trade-in. Drawbacks include a smaller dealer network, fewer service centers, and spare part stock. Also, long-term resale value isn't yet proven. Next up, Yamaha. Yamaha is another major player, especially if you're shopping used gas models. For six, way down to $4,000, you can find very good offerings. Yamahas are tough, reliable, and their gas engines are nearly bulletproof if maintained properly. The G-Series and Drive models, both gas, are solid picks you'll see in a lot of used cart lots. The reliable engine ensures longer run times and great hill performance. Major drawback is the noise. If you live in a gated or urban community, you might want to spend a bit more on electric models. Finally, we have Icon golf carts. Icon carts are known for giving premium vibes on a budget. Touchscreen display, LED lighting, as well as street-legal features that make it perfect for neighborhood driving or light golf course use. If you're looking for a new cart at the lowest possible price, Icon carts should be on your radar. Even their brand new top-end model, the i40L, still comes in at under $10,000. Their carts also have a simple yet elegant feel to them. While they may not have the same long-term track record as Club Car or EasyGo, their value proposition is hard to ignore, especially for buyers who want new with a warranty but don't need a famous badge. However, buyers should bear in mind that unlike the big three legacy brands, they might struggle to get parts, find mechanics, as well as customer service. And when time comes to sell, they will find that the resale value is very poor, often dropping to as low as 50% of the initial cost price. Upgrades, maintenance, and long-term value. If you're shopping on a budget, it pays to be realistic about upgrades and accessories. Most base models come pretty bare bones, but you can always add things later as your budget allows. Popular upgrades include rear seat kits, light packages, mirrors, and new wheels. Some buyers even do DIY upgrades over time. If you're buying used, make sure to check the age of the batteries or the condition of the engine, as replacements can cost more than you might expect. One of the best ways to save money over time is to choose a cart that's easy to maintain and has affordable parts. EasyGo and Club Car are legendary for this. There are tons of parts available, and almost any golf cart tech can work on them. Yamaha is also a safe bet, especially if you're buying gas. If you go with the newer import brands like Icon or Evolution, check that there's a dealer or service center nearby, just in case you need warranty work or repairs. With any cart, regular care, like checking tire pressure, keeping batteries charged, and cleaning off dirt and salt, will help your cart last for years and hold its value for resale. Final tips for the budget-conscious buyer. So, what's the bottom line for buying a golf cart on a budget in 2025? Start by deciding what you really need, how many seats, what kind of terrain, and whether you want gas or electric. Be patient and shop around. The best deals often go fast, so don't hesitate to jump on a good one when you see it. Remember, a golf cart doesn't have to be expensive to be fun, reliable, and useful. With a little homework and smart shopping, you'll be rolling in no time, without breaking the bank. That wraps up our guide to the best golf cart brands for budget-conscious buyers in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your budget is or which cart you're hoping to find. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck, happy hunting, see you next time.